season is on and every individual and salaried person are worried about their calculations and tax liabilities. While doing so, there is only one question running across the mind. आखिर टैक्स को कैसे बचाए? कोई तो तरीका बताओ, कोई तो ऑप्शन बताओ टैक्स बचाने का, which is the most asked question. As the famous saying goes, a penny saved is a penny earned. Tax planning is one of the best way to save your income and helps you to increase your income by saving your taxes. Apart from understanding those computation of income, slab rates, tax liabilities, it's really important to know how to save taxes. After all, you have earned it with lots of hard work, right? So it's important. I know tax देना ज़रूरी है. It's our responsibility as a citizen of India. But हमें tax बचाना भी आना चाहिए. After all, we are working so hard to earn those money, right? Income tax has provided lots of deduction for various investment, expenditures, even savings, right? तो क्यों ना हम उन डिडक्शंस का फायदा उठाएं और लीगली टैक्स सेव करें. So in this video, I will share with you 10 top tips to save money on your tax. You need to know how to manage your fund and save your taxes legally. So let me share with you the most popular section of income taxes which can help you to save your taxes in a big large amount. Deduction under section 80C, 80CCC and 80CCD of Income Tax Act 1961, citizen of India can save taxes under this three sections. This sections allows you to deduct up to 1,50,000 of your tax liability if you have invested in their mentioned instrumental tools such as PPF, EPF, NPS or LIC premium insurance, many other type of insurance, house loan, many more instruments as prescribed in the provision. You can go through those provisions and get to know about those provisions, about those deductions and the instrument in which you can invest. ATD. This section allows you to deduct up to 25,000 of your taxable income for the premium you have paid for your health insurance or your spouse or your dependent child. If you are paying for your parents' health insurance, then you can claim an additional deduction of 25,000 up to a maximum of 50,000 per year. ATE. This section allows you to deduct the interest paid on educational loan for yourself, for your spouse or for your children. The deduction is not limited to any amount. Section 80 TTA. This section allows you to deduct the interest earned from your saving account deposit up to a limit of 10,000 on your taxable income. ATG. This section allows you to deduct the donation made to the charitable organization. The deduction is limited to 50% of the donated amount to a maximum of 10% of your total income. There are lots of many provisions. You have to go through those provisions because there are lots of limitations, percentage which you have to go through those provisions. I can't say all over here. So if you want a different videos for individual section, you can comment over it. Okay. Next is home loan. A tax deduction can be claimed on the interest payable on house loan as per section 24 of Income Tax Act 1961. A tax deduction can be claimed up to a limit of 2 lakh, but there is no upper limit if the house is given out for rent. Many other ways to save your taxes: agricultural income, special disease treatment expenses under section 80 DDB. Business expenses, a person can claim travel expenses as a part of business cost and expenses and can claim those deductions, right? I think the easiest way to save taxes, वेडिंग गिफ्ट. यस, शादी कर लो, ढेर सारे गिफ्ट्स ले लो और पैसे बचा लो, अपने टैक्सेस बचा लो. और ऐसे गिफ्ट्स को टैक्सेबल होने से बचाते हैं, राइट? सो आई थिंक शादी इज बेस्ट ऑप्शन टू सेव टैक्सेस. ही भगवान, टैक्सेस बचाने के लिए फास्ट चढ़ना पड़ेगा, शादी करना पड़ेगा. नो 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 नो, पर करना तो पड़ेगा. जिसके पास इतने पैसे हैं वो क्या करेंगे? ऐसे ही करके शादी करके अब टैक्सेस बचा रहे हैं. तो यू कैन ऑल्सो सेव योर मनी, राइट? Okay, so there are numerous way to save taxes. आपको बस प्लान करना आना चाहिए, आपको प्रोविजंस पता होने चाहिए, टैक्सेस के, इनकम टैक्स के प्रोविजंस पता होने चाहिए एंड यू कैन सेव लॉट्स ऑफ टैक्सेस. बहुत सारे ऐसे टैक्सेस के लूप होल आपको मिल जाएंगे आफ्टर रीडिंग दोज टैक्सेस लीगली बाय टेकिंग एडवांटेजेस ऑफ एग्जेम्पशंस, डिडक्शंस एंड बेनिफिट्स प्रोवाइडेड बाय इनकम टैक्स एक्ट. लीगली अपने टैक्सेस को सेव करो ताकि आप अपने पैसे को सही से बचा सको. सो वीडियो अगर पसंद आया हो देन डोंट फॉरगेट टू हिट द लाइक बटन एंड सब्सक्राइब माई चैनल. और हाँ, कमेंट करना मत भूलना. ओके, बहुत जल्द मिलते हैं नए वीडियो के साथ. बाय बाय.
Always be the light things on you.